Two children among three killed in Salt Spring. Man killed in Mount Salem 48 hours after curfew ended. Several persons injured in multi-vehicle accident in Baltimore. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Police have identified the two children and a man killed in a triple murder along the Flower Hill Main Road in Salt Spring, St. James Monday evening. They are 7-year-old Justin Perry and 9-year-old Nicoleva Smith, both students, and Tevin Hale, otherwise called Bangsell, 26, all three are from Salt Spring. Reports are that around 5:20 p.m., the taxi operator was driving his gray 2006 motor car from Salt Spring heading to Montego Bay with Perry and Smith on board. Hale reportedly stopped the vehicle and asked for a drive to his home. As Hale entered the car, a man armed with a rifle immediately exited bushes along the right side of the roadway and opened gunfire at the vehicle, hitting him, Smith, and Perry in the head and upper body. The taxi driver drove to the Montego Bay Hills police station. Hale and both students were rushed to the Cornwall Regional Hospital, where they were pronounced dead on arrival. This is the latest in a series of deadly shootings that have rocked the Salt Spring community in recent times. Gunmen shot and killed a 34-year-old man in Mount Salem, St. James this morning, just 48 hours after a curfew ended. Mount Salem remains under a zone of special operations, which brings increased police and military presence and social service providers. This morning's shooting occurred at approximately 9 a.m. The deceased, Sanjay Rankin, from a Crawford Street address, was reportedly transporting sand in a wheelbarrow near his home when he was shot. He was employed to a popular restaurant and entertainment center in Montego Bay. At least 3 residents have been shot over the last 3 weeks, forcing the police to restrict movements in the community. Several persons were injured in a motor vehicle accident at the Passage Fort Drive and Newland Road intersection in Portmore Monday evening. A number of persons were reportedly rushed to the hospital. The incident, which happened at approximately 7:30 p.m., involving a minibus and at least 3 motor cars.